Click the link below to get a free loop pack. Click the link below to get a free loop pack. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to make the loops different and dynamic and make sure they change and don't stay repetitive, because as soon as the brain figures out what some piece of music is going to do, then the brain kind of tunes off. So we want it to be clever in such a way, and this process is always ever evolving. So I take the chords that I have and then build similar tones and notes on top of it. Excuse the use of my mouse and keyboard today because I gotta figure out it must be some Wi-Fi issues. Anyway, so I'll just go through and like usually just do what sounds good to the ear. So that might be even the second one. Maybe we'll move it over and have this one first, so it's like a basic one. then have this one repeat again, and then this one repeat after that. So that's one variation, for example. Again, the more and more you produce, the more and more. I'm just showing you the process, more or less. How you do it and execute it is up to you. And usually, the more you work on a song after you have the basics worked out, and the more you give it variance, the better it'll come out. And then from here, I would level it more, give it some more effects, perhaps some more automations, maybe some tape stops. Pretty much just make it what you hear. Hopefully this has helped. Go ahead, click the link below to get a free loop pack. Hopefully that'll help you with your beats. If you got questions and stuff, leave them in the comments about beats, production, selling beats, marketing yourself, stuff like that. But hopefully you learned a thing or two. Appreciate you being with me on the process.